Welcome to DJI Avata2 tutorial. We will guide you through the pre-flight setup required for using manual mode. Taking mode 2 as an example, open the rubber grip on the back of the remote controller behind the throttle stick. Tighten the F2 screw clockwise to reduce the spring and loosen the throttle stick. Tighten the F1 screw clockwise to increase the stick resistance. And keep the stick from auto-recentering. Set the stick resistance according to your flying preferences. Power on the aircraft, goggles, and remote controller. Make sure all the devices are linked. Press the 5D button and open the menu. Go to Settings, Control, Remote Controller, Button Customization, Custom Mode, and set to Manual Mode. If you are proficient at flying in manual mode, you can go to Gain and Expo and disable the attitude restriction. DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 supports flight simulators such as Liftoff, Uncrashed, DRL, and DCL. It is recommended to learn flying skills and have flight training in the flight simulators before flying in manual mode. After having sufficient flight training in the flight simulators, you can try manual mode out in the real world. Choose an open, unobstructed environment to fly in. Switch the remote controller to manual mode and push the throttle stick all the way down. Press the Start-Stop button on the remote controller twice to start the motors, and gently push the throttle stick up to take off. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your flight.